Don't you hate it when you're home alone and suddenly you hear a noise downstairs? Like, bitch,
Who the fuck was that?
like who invited you? Get your goofy ass out of my kitchen. Like the house be dead silent for 3 hours straight, then suddenly it sounds like a fucking dungeon is being opened. Now I'm hiding under my blanket like it's
Bulletproof. Like that thin-ass sheet
Gonna protect me from whatever demon just opened the fridge.
I'm walking around with a hanger in my hand like I'm about to square up with the boogeyman. Talking about who's there, like I want a response.
bitch. If something says me,
I'm out the window. No shoes, no socks.
I'm starting a new life. And somehow the TV remote or a fork be making all this noise like it's possessed. Nah, the second I hear one more creak, I'm grabbing my charger, a hoodie.
and I'm leaving the ghost to pay rent.
You wanted this house so bad?
You got it. Don't ask me for Wi-Fi.